All right, I'm working on a front washer pump that does not work. So I've turned the wheel to gain access. And there's a couple of these push pins. There's one there. There's two here. And then there's one right here. And I just pull the push pins with one of these fork tools, put it in there and pop the push pins out and pull the fender liner back. I don't have to take it all the way out. And the washer pump is right in this area. And so I'm just going to replace the washer pump. I've got the fender well peeled back now. And we look right up here and there's the washer pump. And I pulled the washer pump out here. This is the one for the front. Typically the front one's going to be lower. That way if you're running low on fluid, your rear one will stop working and then your front one will have a few more squirts in it because that's safety related. So I'm just going to put a new pump on and button this back up. Alright, I'm all finished with replacing the washer pump. Seems to spray good. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helped.